Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how you can combine vertical blur and vibration flash effect to create cool transitions on CapCut. So first just add your videos to CapCut and then click on the second clip or where you want the transitions to begin, and then go to animation in and then select the swing bottom animation. Set it for 0.1 seconds. Click on the check icon and now go to the video effect, opening and closing, and then select the vertical blur effect. Okay, trim it as you like and then put it in between clips like this. Okay, and now go under the transition box in here and then add a keyframe. Okay, so if you can't add a keyframe like this, you need to click on the object here and change the object to all objects. Then you can start adding keyframes. So add the first keyframe in here and set the blur into 90. Click on the check icon. Now backward a bit and then add another keyframe. Now put the blur into 40. Okay, and then backward again, then put the blur all the way to 0, and now add another keyframe here and set the blur to 50. Another one in here. Now put the blur 20 and at the end of the effect here put the blur to 0. Click on the check icon and now go to the video effects again. Click on the nightclub category and then select the vibration blast flash effect. Put it in between the clips, trim it like this, and now click on the second clip here, add a keyframe at the start and also the end of the clip. Now at the end, zoom in the clip and then rotate it a bit. Okay, now you are done and here is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye bye.